So about 5 or 6 months ago, I did a video about my tech travel bag where I showed you all of the tech products that I take with me when I'm on a long trip. But if you're just going out for a weekend with a few friends, or you're visiting a new city for a few days or something like that, and you just want to take a single bag with you, you definitely don't need all that stuff. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I take with me when I go on short trips, and I'm trying to be a bit more minimalist about what I bring. First of all, let's start with the bag. This is the Packed One duffel bag, and I love this bag for a lot of reasons. It's very well thought out and has compartments for just about everything you need. The bag is extremely well made with very durable feeling materials, and I honestly think if you were to buy one single duffel bag and be able to keep it for your whole life, this would be it. Which is good because it's really expensive. Thankfully, they were kind enough to send it to me for free, so I didn't have to pay for it. When you open the middle zipper, it gives you easy access to the two main compartments, as well as a padded laptop pouch for my laptop of choice, which happens to be the 2013 13-inch MacBook Pro that I use for editing in Final Cut when I'm on the go. In the first main compartment, I keep the majority of my clothes and pretty much nothing else. The reason I do that is to give some extra bit of cushioning for protecting my laptop inside its sleeve. The sleeve is padded, like I mentioned before, but since this is a duffel bag with a soft shell, it's best to give it all the help it can get, which is probably why the designers decided to put the laptop compartment right smack dab in the middle. Pretty smart. In the second main compartment, I usually put a few shirts and this tech organizer bag. This is where the majority of my travel tech stays until I'm ready to use it. Inside, there's a bunch of places to store my USB-C and micro USB cables for charging my devices, as well as my fast charger for my phone and my Apple Watch charger. I also keep my Samsung T5 1TB SSD in here for fast editing on the go, and in the bottom pouch, I keep my Aki 12,000 mAh portable battery charger just in case any of my devices run out of juice while I'm away from a wall outlet. There's obviously a lot more storage in this little bag on the right side as well, but I almost never use it unless I'm going on a long trip with a lot more devices. Like always, if you're interested in this organizer bag thing or any of the other products in this video, I'll leave links down in the description down below. Unzipping the second part of this bag reveals a few of my favorite pieces of tech. First up is my noise-canceling headphones of choice, the WH-1000XM3s. They're incredible with noise cancellation, and they have great sound, plus they charge with USB-C and fold up for great portability. Below that, we've got the matching pair of noise-canceling earbuds, the WF-1000XM3s, as well as my new travel camera of choice, the Insta360 1R Twin Edition. It's a modular camera that I just did a video on recently that has two different lens systems, one for 360 video and one for 4K normal video. It's tiny, waterproof, versatile, and produces great colors, so I love using it when I'm out and about. Now there's also a few pouches on the outside of this bag too. On the front are a couple of zippered pouches where I usually put things like my MacBook charger and my keys on this included carabiner clip. On the back there's a pouch that has magnets to keep it closed, which I usually don't use unless I have my headphones out of the bag and I just want to put them down temporarily or something like that. There's also my everyday carry, which consists of my Apple Watch Series 5, my PackSafe wallet, and my Samsung Galaxy A51, but that's going to change very soon when the S20 releases in a couple of days. I'm so pumped to review that phone. It looks awesome, and I can't wait. And that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot of tech, but when you're only away for a few days, that's usually for the best. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to support my channel, and as always, have a great day.